Hello, Twitters. So, I'm gonna build some Lego guys. Here are the Lego pieces I'm using. All those. Yeah. Okay. Let's get started. Okay. Let's build some random guy and see what he looks like when we're done with him. So, let's use this skeleton head. Try to make like a skeleton king or something. A skeleton guy or something. I have to see my gold pants. To get some armor. So I'm just making basically a skeleton guy. Let's give him. Oh, this guy's freaking boss. He's indestructible. Okay. Put him right there. I'm just gonna put the guys. I'm not gonna give them weapons. Not yet. I'm gonna put them in this video. But I'm not gonna give them weapons yet. So let's build. Okay, let's build like some, I don't know, military guy or something. Let's fire right here. How about this one? Yeah, I should get this one. That looks like a Call of Duty guy. Move it back a little bit. There's good. Okay, now let's build. Yeah, let's come back. Okay, there. I can see him. How about let's put a cape on him. Pants we put on him. How are these red ones to go with him? No, let's give him this right here. This little sword holder thing. Sword holder thing. I'm gonna take off his pants. Okay. You have to put it under the cape. Makes some sense. Got a little assassin guy. Okay, got 3 people. I don't know, who should we build? Let's build an alien. Isn't that body, that legs? They go together. They come from a Star Wars set, but the head's different. There's our first guy. Let's build. How about another assassin guy? Because this guy's an assassin. You know, there's always more than one assassin. using his face. I'll put the face backwards because it looks like black, and I'm gonna give him a hood. There's your assassin. How about some? Let's make a doctor. Yeah, doctor. Okay. He's a no. So it's both from Star Wars. This awesome Star Wars. The clone trooper, guys. Persons, dudes. Yeah. Peace one over here. Doesn't that kind of look like Kira from Tron? So, yeah, there's a Dr. Kira from Tron. Yeah. I think Kira's from Tron, I don't know. Let's make... How about teenager? Normal face, smiley face. Headphone hair. Okay, fell down. There, okay. And then like a little jacket thing. And then jeans. There's teenager. Right there. I'm pretty sure last pieces looks like an assassin guy. It's weird because they're all black. Using black shirt, black arms, black gloves, black pants. I guess it's assassin. Black mask, Italian, and then a little mask over it. So basically all you can see is his eyes, really. You can't even see the little part in his, you know, the, place, so. Well, he already has a weapon on him, it's on the back. Actually, no, he has another one. Here, this. There, he's got a bow. So I'm gonna give this guy the bow. This bow, silver bow. From like Hawkeye's bow. Yeah, come here. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, it's difficult. Okay. There. And then how does teenage guy? Yeah. Weapons. Yeah, let's get these weapons. How about this? Oh, two of these guns. No, these guns are very common. Two of those. Sorry for me to come back there. I'm looking for more weapons. Guns. And then, well, she's a doctor, so I don't think she needs a weapon. Since he's a little assassin guy. He gets that little crossbow, I guess. hard to see with his cape. Alien doesn't really. I don't really have an alien weapon right now. Well, he has a sword holder, so I guess he needs a sword. I have two kinds of swords. Okay, so I have this battle sword, and I have this, like, sword you would see in, like, Assassin's Creed. Well, I do have a knight guy, so I'm gonna give him this. I'm gonna give the assassin this sword. Plus, this sword probably doesn't fit for the sword holder. So I'm gonna get a sword on a sword holder. I'm gonna move all these guys that I gave weapons already. Okay, so there's that assassin guy. I'm gonna show him off again. And then these two guys. So giving him sword, I have shield too. I don't have any more weapons for the last guy, but shield and sword. No, this guy's a skeleton guy, so skeleton. And it's pretty decked. And this guy doesn't really have a weapon. Actually, no, I do have a weapon for him. Oh. I would think he would look cool with a shotgun, but I have pistols. I have 3. So, let's take one of these. Pistol. So, yeah. I'm going to show these guys with their weapons. I'll show you how they're built if you want. Next video. Yes, so there are some people. Here's the next. Guy here. No, that's the other guy I made. Oh, there was one more guy. Wasn't there? Oh, here he is. This guy flipped. There. And those guys. Well, these are really dope guys. These guys are dope. So dope. And these are teenager guys. But these guys not really. So thank you. If you want the I'm used to playing Minecraft and watching Minecraft videos. But if you want the crafting, like the way I make them, just leave in the comments if you want them. So, yeah. Bye.